To news now in politics, the race for president of the People's National Party has intensified with the official launch of Peter Bunting's Rise United campaign. The event was held at Manchester High School last night. Now, with repeated endorsements from party stalwarts, members of the Bunting camp indicated that they have their eyes set on more than leadership.
It was quite an elaborate launch. Peter Bunting's Rise United camp, flocked by scores of party supporters, flooded the Manchester High School in Mandeville all day Sunday. Speaker after speaker offering reasons supporting Peter Bunting's push to be party leader.
The average age of this massive crowd is under 40 years of age. You are the future of politics.
The head of the National Workers' Union says, like the rest of the PNP, he has been silent and dejected for years.
But now that we start feeling the feeling that the PNP know about, we must be in line with this man.
For others, Bunting's record, including his response after the party lost in the 2007 general election, speaks volumes.
And Comrade Bunting said, you know what? I'm going to settle up, I want to be the General Secretary of the People's National Party. We won 42 seats at every parish council in Jamaica under Comrade Peter Bunting.
First it was Hugh Shearer, then it was Sally Porteous, then it was Danville Walker, and then Senator Bill Bartlett. 4 out of 4, and more to come, comrades.
But for the man himself, winning the leadership race is a stepping stone to greater things, including clamping down on corruption.
Under my watch, there will be zero tolerance for any financial hanky-panky. Politicians must stay away from taxpayers' money or be prepared to wear your pants.
He said he's not giving an election manifesto just yet, but outlined 3 areas he planned to focus on: the economy, education,
and the third will be how to effectively tackle the monster of crime and corruption that's threatening to derail us.
But for now, the message to delegates come September 7.
We need a leader that supports the organization of the party and modernizes it. That is what Peter Bunting did when he was General Secretary. Had he been there in 2016, I don't think the result would have been what it was.
Herman Green, TVJ News.